So I drove for 1 hour and walked down a hill for 30 minutes to see this. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Ollie and today we are going to find a beautiful waterfall called Cachoeira de Cocais. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm in the beautiful state of Minas Gerais and yeah, let's go and find this waterfall and show you exactly how beautiful it is. Minas is known for its waterfalls and this is my first one, so I'm pretty excited. Let's go and get it. So my friend Thalis has just told me that I pronounce it wrong. It's called Cachoeira de Cocais. Is that right?
Hey guys.
Woohoo! How do I say it?
That's right, Cocais.
Cocais. Cachoeira de Cocais. I keep saying it wrong. Anyway, I've got my Brahma, which is like the traditional, one of the traditional basic lager beers here in Brazil. And yeah, we're currently going down with our esky. And life's good. If you're new here, I make videos about my life here in South America. I've got videos about Bolivia and I've got videos about Brazil. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell down below so that you don't miss any of my new videos. So one of the things that I'm so white. One of the things I love about living in Berga is that I get to hang out with my old friend. Hey,
Guys.
What's your name?
My name is Thalis.
We met when Thalis studied in Canberra like 5 years ago. We're gonna do a cheers. Cheers to old friends. What, do you like me living here?
Not at all, seriously. He's annoying.
So because the state of Minas is inland, it doesn't have a beach, but it has waterfalls. And I guess like this is the experience that people have when they can't go to the beach, they come to the waterfalls. Australia also has a lot of waterfalls, but because so many people live close to the beach, it's not really common. Well, it's common, but it's not really the thing to do. You go to the beach, whereas the people here, they come to the waterfalls. And it's a Sunday and the sun is kind of out, kind of not out. You can kind of see on my face. But there are people here, there's families, there's young people, there's couples, and it's great. Thalis, why don't you tell people what we're doing?
Doing what?
Right now.
Seeing waterfalls, drinking beers, getting these people that like are okay. Seriously.
Are you enjoying the day?
Yes.
What's the best thing about the day?
Not carrying this shit that like you haven't helped me at all. Seriously. Just take it.
I'm not taking it.
Making me movies. Take it.
Okay,
Your
alright.
turn.
My turn. Oi Pedro, tell us about this waterfall.
Lion Waterfall.
Em português.
Leão, Cachoeira do Leão. What else can I say?
What do you think about it?
Well, it's an amazing place to have fun on the weekend with your friends. It's very close to Belo Horizonte.
So this area right here is a great area to take photos. We've just climbed up from the first waterfall, and as you can see, everybody is now leaving, but it's a great place to take pictures of the scenery. Have a look at this. Woo woo! Say hello, everybody. Hey! Woo woo! Guys, I'm going to say that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with everything that's happening in my life here in Brazil. Love you all. Thank you for your support. See you next video.